Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working on Windows 11. So to fix this problem, first you're gonna go to search and type camera. And here you're gonna select this option, which is turn off camera access for all apps. You're gonna open it, and then here you're gonna make sure the application you're using the camera on is activated so it can has access to the camera. Then in here you're gonna go and close this tab and search for device manager. You're gonna open it, and in here you will have like one that says camera. You're gonna right click it like here and uninstall device. Then it will appear like a box that says uninstall device and something like this, and there will be a box. You're gonna uncheck that box and then uninstall. Then you're gonna come to action and click on scan for hardware changes, and this should fix your problem.